Huddle Monkey is a collaboration tool designed to help you connect your teams. Equip your teams through event and volunteer scheduling, project and task management, sharing content such as training or curriculum, and communicating with group chat and announcements. My Hub brings everything you need to focus on into one view. From this view you can quickly see how many tasks you need to complete as well as any event schedule requests. The featured 5 is a list of the top 5 tasks suggested that you focus on based on the due date. From the Hub, you can view your schedule. Content assigned to you. Badges you have earned or are working towards. Tasks assigned to you. And any recent activity all in one place. Organize your users into teams to reflect your organization's structure. Assign team leaders to give more control and autonomy. Team leaders can build out teams below them, and schedule volunteers for events, manage projects, and share content with those teams. Whether you are planning a one-time event or need to schedule weekly volunteers, the events feature can help get your volunteers on the same page. Within each event, create one or more series, such as a monthly topic, a season or curriculum cycle, or an occurrence of a yearly event. A series can take place on one day or over multiple weeks on a recurring schedule. Define the positions needed for the event, based on time, area, and even different locations if necessary, and specify what teams are allowed to be scheduled in those positions. Optionally define templates to save time building out your schedules. Templates allow you to create predefined configurations for scheduling users to specific positions. When you are ready to schedule volunteers, you can view the schedule by individual date or by the entire series. Here we are going to look at the series and schedule from there. When viewing the schedule, you can see who has declined, accepted, or has not yet responded, and add or remove slots as necessary. To schedule volunteers, you can select individuals for each position. To save time, you can apply a schedule template or copy a schedule to one or more other schedules. Each position can have different content associated with them based on the series. Volunteers scheduled for their roles will now have access to the content as they prepare for the event. Plan and track projects with collaboration, task assignment, and scheduling to ensure your teams are aligned and moving forward together. Modules are individual components of content that can be shared. You can mix and match and put modules together as components like building blocks to create flexible content that will be shared together. Here the volunteer training has 3 components. Assessments are custom tests you design that can be optionally applied to a schedule to test a user's knowledge on the content. Get a pulse on how people are answering assessment questions so you can further tailor and refine the content that needs to be covered. Badges allow you to define criteria for users to earn badges, such as completing training every 2 years, passing an assessment, or earning another badge. Keep track of who has earned the badges, progress being made towards the badges, and what badges have expired. View the progress of each user and what they need to do to earn the badge. Schedules allow you to share modules with your teams during a specified time frame. Let's share the volunteer training. You can require users to indicate that they have completed the content or have them take an assessment to test their knowledge on the content. You can also associate a conversation directly with the schedule to encourage communication around the content. Schedules can be assigned to more than one team and users. Users will be notified when the content is made available. If the schedule has a required action, you can view the progress of each user and what percentage of the content has been completed. If this was an assessment, you can view the user's results by clicking on their score. If the schedule is associated with an assessment, you can see the stats, just like we saw previously. Conversations allow you to engage in chat with teams and users. Standard chat features are available, such as including attachments, emojis, animated GIFs, mentioning users, and reacting to messages. Use the built-in search feature to quickly search YouTube and Vimeo for video links to share in the chat. Announcements are a broadcast when you need to get information out quickly to your team members. At the heart of every organization is people. As leaders, we want our volunteers to feel connected, equipped, valued, and moving forward together. At Huddle Monkey, we want to make it easier to connect your teams so they can connect with others. Visit huddlemonkey.com/solutions to see how you can use Huddle Monkey to help your teams thrive.